you this morning? I hope you're well.
Just dropped in to see us.
Just dropped in to say hello.
I'll put the kettle on.
Yep. What do you want? Was that milk, sugar, coffee?
Tea.
Tea? Anyway, we're going on a little ride this morning. We're going to Newark, so we're not going too far. We'd like to get a walk in, so we're going down to Farndon, and there's a nice walk from there. I'll post it up, you'll see it. And it's about 3 miles, so you go out to the pub, you park at the pub, so you can go for a drink or a bite to eat if you want. And then we go along past the marina, Farndon Marina, and then we walk right along the river, right round the river to the outskirts of Newark, and then loop back. It's about 3 miles, so it looks a lovely day. So I'm going to film it for you, nice leisurely one, and a bit of scenic, bit of wildlife, so we'll see what we've got. But I just thought you'd bring you along with us. Shall we take them along with us?
Yeah, might as well.
May as well. So, hope you enjoy it. See you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.
So we've made the car park. And it's about an hour and 20 minutes walk, so it's not a massive one. And it doesn't look like rain. So we're going to try and find the paths now. Let's see where we're going. So it's a nice pub down by the river called the Farndon Ferry. If you ever want to come down, guys, Farndon Ferry. You can moor your boats. Very leisurely. Be nice for paddleboarding, this would. Might have to see if we can get down. What do you think, paddleboarding? Think it'll be right here?
Well, I'm not doing it, so I wouldn't know.
Yeah, I think it'll be good.
How deep do you think it is?
I don't know. How deep's the Trent, guys? Anybody got an idea?
No.
I know it varies, but
No idea.
10 feet, 15 feet, I don't know. Something like that. Anyway, let's go down and look at the marina. coat off. We sweat. Big and warm. I think someone just turned the temperature up. I'll put some sun cream on. Wow. Didn't expect that one today. I think the UV must be quite high. In a bit.
That's fine. All the muggins.
Yum yum.
Do you want to eat them as well?
You going round? Ooh. Oh. Go around that one. Hey up, tiger. Oh. Go pussycat on the lead. Hey. Oh. It's ever so soft.
I want to go on my walk. Most of about you two.
Got to have a little drink and a sandwich break. Oh, nice walk. Keep me coming, got that. Stick 'em up, bonk. Bonk. We'll see you in a minute. Over the stile. Oh. Oh, that's a good one.
Are you recording that?
I'm not.
You lies. I can see it's red.
Can't say what she was just saying, but anyway, we're walking on this path, so we're heading back. We nearly went onto a private bit of land, but it led that way, and then we turned around and come back. So.
Father came out with his gun and we run that out. No, we didn't really.
Yes, we did. Over these stiles, we love these stiles. This is a good one. Ugh. Woo. Enjoying this walk, guys? Farndon Newark walk loop. I'll post it up in case you want to come and do it. It's very nice. Just back at the marina now. way round back to the marina. So now we're going to walk down past the marina and back into the pub.
How long is this one around?
It's a kissing gate. Come out the jetty way. Back at the pub. The riverside. Come down for a nice pub meal. It used to be a great place. They used to let you overnight camp. Come down, park near the river down here, but they've shut it all off now. Got signs up. No overnight camping. And the reason that must be is because of people leaving a mess and antisocial behaviour. So there we go, we've lost it again. Hello. Right, that's finally done that little walk then. I've tried to get the drone up, but it started raining, look. And it's quite windy, so I can't get the drone up. So, as usual, British weather stops me. But anyway, so I've had a cup of tea, sat in the van for an hour, and we're going to head home now. And I'm going to do some nice tea and relax. So, hope you enjoyed it. Look out for the next one, coming soon. And we'll see you again. Bye. Say bye, Kim.
Bye.